So I just got the iPhone 12 Pro. You probably saw that I just uploaded a video of my unboxing initial impressions. This is the silver, and of course I like to make sure that I'm not going to damage any of my stuff. So before I actually got this phone, I already had a case ordered. So this is a case I ordered off Amazon. I have already opened it, but I just wanted to kind of give everybody an idea of what to expect. So this is just a cheap case. I think I paid around $8 for it. I'm pretty sure it says Torras. So this is, again, just like a Chinese cheap case. I just wanted to get something quick so I can have some protection on the phone whenever I was going to get it. So this is basically what it actually, whenever I got it through Amazon, it was actually already opened. So whenever I pulled it out of the pack, this is kind of what it looked like whenever I opened it up. So I don't know if that's Amazon or if that's the manufacturer of the case, but I thought it was kind of an odd way to be shipped. But anyway, packaging is not really that special. You can tell that. This is kind of weird to me that it came like this in this little tray. Again, this is for the 12 Pro, and there you go. Now this case is, it claims to be resistant to yellowing, which is a problem that I always have with these clear cases. And I wanted a clear case because I wanted to show off this new iPhone. And it has black edges. Again, I decided to go with the black edges because of the yellowing. Anytime I've had a clear case, the edges yellow more than anywhere else on the case usually. And I work around a lot of hydraulic oil. And honestly, I get some grease and stuff on my hands, and that probably plays a huge factor in it. And I wanted something that could kind of hide that a little better, so I went with this black edge. My initial impression of this case is it's a lot slicker than I thought it was going to be. I actually kind of like a grippier case. So this is a real slick plastic. There is no separation line, like you can't feel any kind of line here where the black edge meets the clear. It really just kind of feels painted on. I don't know that it is separate in any way. One nice feature though is the camera cannot pick this up, but the inside of the case has a texture to it, and that is supposed to keep it from showing like the bubbling or smudginess that you sometimes get with these clear cases whenever it touches the back of the phone. It's supposed to prevent that. I have not put the phone in the case yet, so this is going to be a true first impressions. And there you go. So honestly, I have to say that I do not like this at all. I am very disappointed with this. You can see immediately I noticed this hard edge here where the lip of the edge of the case does not actually completely cover the side of the phone. It's really flimsy. It has I don't know, it doesn't really fit that well against it. It does have a cutout for the silent switch. Camera cutout looks as if it lines up pretty well. Let's see, the bottom. Yeah, so you can kind of see how cheap this is actually. The bottom isn't like a true precise cutout. It's definitely big enough for your charging cable, but if you can see the screws beside the charging port, how it's not truly centered around that. So definitely a cheap case. Honestly, I am pretty disappointed with this, and I wanted to give a review in case anybody else on Amazon was looking at this. Anybody else ordered an iPhone 12? Yeah, it's got, you can see as I press in on it how much flex it has. So it doesn't really fit the phone that well. And this, like I said, this is for the 12 Pro and not just the 12. I know that the camera module on the back of the 12 Pro is slightly bigger than the 12. But this case, it did say it was for the 12 Pro, and I am disappointed in how it fits. Anyway, if If you have any questions about the case or anything else, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. I'll see you in the next one.